Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I will show you how to use that limit command in TIA portal V16, and I am using PLC s7-1200 DC-DC relay. Let's start. First of all, I will open my any project and then go to the project view. And go to my PLC and then program blocks and go to the main OB. In previous lectures we were using in math function that little cursor I will make it here. In previous lecture we used that ABS already finished, minimum and maximum already finished. That we are using that limit command. That limit command, what he says, limit the value at the input to the values at the minimum and maximum inputs. First of all, I will take my here one input from where I execute that my program, that I0.0, and then I will take it here one more row for, and one here I will use my command increment command, because of when I like to give the signal that at that limit program command we need some data from outside. Think about this data we will take from the field and give to that command. First of all, I will use my here data register MW0 for minimum value, and that maximum value I will use MW10. MW10, and that one I will take my answer in MW20, MW30 I will take, no problem. And this value comes from your field. Here I take one data MW15 I will take. This MW15 data come from field, for example, and this data I will use MW15. MW15. One second. And that MW15 data is increments come to at this field input. And here, and simply first I will, this program I will download to the PLC. No, sorry, this is one mistake. We have to use one rising edge, because of when I making increments at that data register, this will be after go very high pulses, and it will be shown as floating points. I will use here one my input I0.1, and that's I will take my rising edge, and one here I will Q0.0 I will make it energize, and this program I will download to my PLC and then click load. Basically this limit commands what doing. This is very simple method to use this one. For example, I write it here 25, it's my minimum value, or for example I will 10 put it here. This is my minimum value, and my this I will put 20 for my maximum value. And here once I will make it 0, and because of this command passes the minimum value to the program. For example, see this command now thinks here is only 10 value. He will shows minimum 10 value, and when I give the signal at I0.0, I0.1, for example, see, as per increase the value from 10, it will passes the 11. Which value comes from field, it will continuously pass this value. 11, 12, after it will be showing as per his main value which is coming from the field. And if I, for example, put it here 15 minimum value, if I put it here 15 and here I put it for 25, it will think still this value from back side is not have any value, and here is a minimum value 15, it is continuously pass that 15 value, and here 25. And if you put it here 25, for example 25, and here it you put 30 value maximum, and it will be see past the 25. And when its signal coming from outside, your value comes from outside, I am increasing that rising edge at I0.1. As per my value increased from 25, it will be starts your original value shows in the program. And after another purpose, when you're using in logic this command, I will show you one small logic also. Once we go to offline, because when you will be using this command in the program, I will take it one here. I will take it here one by one comparator command. For example, I take this one equal or greater than 1 command, and 1 I will take it here I will make, and less than command, 1 is less than command, and I will take my this data register MW30, and this I take maximum value MW10, and this minimum value MW, this also I take MW30, because of I like to MW30, and this I take minimum value MW0, and this I tell him already this is int, and here I put my one output Q0.2, and one more I will take it here relay Q0.3. Little suffering from cough. And see this program MW0, MW30, and yeah, this is my less or less than command, and this is my equal or greater than command. This I have to be used this data register MW10, and this I have to be used MW0, because of minimum value is this and maximum value of this one. And I will download this program to the PLC and then click load. And make it simulation on, and see Now it's showing that 29, because of this is minimum value is have 25 and set point is maximum value is 30, and we define it here this equal or greater than command. This is when it's coming at 30, after that will be make it your Q0.2 on. I will increase the data little. See, when it's equal or greater than this MW30, this your Q0.2 will be energized. And if I put it here, for example, this I put it here for 20, for example, and here is I put 40. See, this command set points Q0.0 goes to on, and this what I put yani this is less than when 30, this after this will be this command will be on. For example, here I put 19, here I put 19 for example, that command will be energized. As it increase from 20, it will be stopped, and that will when increases from 40, this is very long now, but we will increase the value, send 38, 39, 40, as when increases from 40, and this your Q0.2 will be energized. That's so this is the very simple method to use this limit command in the TIA portal, and I hope you are complete understand about this command. If you have any question or you not understand, send me the email or send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.